DMR number 1, an ostrich egg weighs 2 and 9/10 pounds. The difference between the weight of the egg and the weight of an emu egg, which is 1 and 6/10 pounds. Write an equation that could be used to find the weight, or W, in pounds of the emu egg. So, we need to notice that we have an ostrich egg weighs 2 and 9/10 pounds. So, ostrich, I hope I spelled that wrong. Ostrich, 2.9 pounds. The difference, so that weighs, the difference between the weight of the egg and the weight of an emu egg. So if we subtract, difference means subtract. So the difference is 1.6 pounds. We're going to write an equation, use the weight in pounds of the emu egg. So the difference between the ostrich egg, which is 2 and 9/10 pounds, minus the emu egg. So we're gonna, the weight of the emu egg is, or equals, 1 and 6/10 pounds. So is gonna be what this kind of equals. The equals is gonna represent an is. So our equation is going to be 2 and 9/10 minus W equals 1 and 6/10. And that's going to be it for our DMR. Great job.